Andrey DEMANOV, 182. DEMANOV now pretty experienced, 28 years old. Fourth at the Olympic Games in 2012. He did lift at the 94 kilo category then. He won the European Championships at that weight category in 2011.
So close. Well, if I always say when I'm coaching, when you hit the bottom position, try and stand straight out of that. And then if the bar is slightly in front, you've got a chance of running back underneath it. Here, you can see it is in front. Didn't take a step, though. It's a shame.
Well, both Russians